My name is Mrs. Obuja Ijoma, the officer who is in charge of pasture unit. So this is the hay that we prepare from the pasture unit. There is a method of preparing this hay. These hay are going to be used by our animal, the ruminant animal we have here, like cattle, sheep, and goats. So there's a way we prepare it. You cut the grasses, you expose it for like 24 hours to reduce the moisture content, and then you bale them and stock these grasses in the rack for our animal to be used during the time of scarcity. So this hay, when we prepare it, we also use some preservatives like buffered propionic acid, or sometimes we use sulfuric acid. There is other ways of processing these grasses that is called silage. Silage is another method of processing these grasses for our animal to be used during the time of scarcity. Silage is when you cut the grasses, you chop them to reduce the length, then you expose it as well to reduce the moisture content, and then you dig a very big hole called site. Then you cover this hole with a cellophane paper, and then make a heap of these grasses into this hole, cover it with another cellophane paper, and then make a heap of soil on top of this the prepared grasses. These grasses can stay there for a very long time, and we use it in feeding cattle. So here are my students at the pasture unit. They help me to do some of this work. The silage I talked about, we have it that side, and this is the hay. Sometimes we use some supplements like PKC, cassava peel, and other ones for our animals. Thank you.